It's a lovely piece of work. You like your material? Oh, I can hear kookaburras. Can you hear the kookaburras? It's off in the background somewhere. It's gone now. Elizabeth.
Tablecloth, beautiful, very nice. I'll appreciate it, and nobody will get it. That will be and my family. It's gorgeous.
So the translation of that is Mum appreciates it very much, and none of the nurses had better get near her tablecloth because she really loves the work. She loves all the embroidery and she loves fabric, and you've chosen really well. She really adores it, actually.
Well, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, we've got a big magpie just come to visit. Go, go, log, 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 log. Hey, magpie. Would you like a biscuit? I got a biscuit in my pocket. Here, matey. Come on. Go, go, log, 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 log. Yeah. You're not hungry? Go, go, log, 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 log. Yeah. Go, go, log, 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 log. He's coming down. Come on. Come on, little magpie. Just gonna check it out. Well, he's not sure about us. He's looking at us thinking he doesn't know if he likes gingerbread or not. Oh, we've got another little... Come on, little bear, little... Yeah, I'm watching him. Yeah. Yeah, he's a cutie too. Come on, little fella, come down and have some crumbs. Oh, there's another one coming behind me. That's one of the native pigeons there. Come on, look at his little top knot on his head. He's beautiful. Hello, little bird. I'd like some parrots to come now. I'd like a couple of parrots to come. Come on, little fella. Yeah, we're not going to hurt you. We just want to watch you. That's it. You're a cutie, aren't you? They're the birds that go, you know when you hear it in the night time, you hear them go, whoo hoo, whoo hoo, whoo hoo. That's those birds that make that noise. Whoo hoo. When they're calling their partners. You can hear one in the distance. There's a couple in the tree right above us waiting. I love birds. Of all the creatures, I love birds the most because they taste good. I'm joking. Oh no, there's one on the fence here. Come on, little yellow beak. Come and have some lunch. Oh, they're all coming in now. Look at that. There's 4 or 5 of them all around us. Yeah, there's a pigeon right here. Oh look, here comes another pigeon coming in. Well, guess what, kids? I just happened to be prepared. Here you go, little fellas. Here. Have some gingerbread. Eh? Little fellas. Ooh. We've got a little flock happening here, and they're stealing the breadcrumbs out of each other's mouths. Little pigeons here. They're such cute little fellas, aren't they? How'd they go? Do that again, how'd they go? Oh, that's a feral pigeon. See the difference between the feral pigeons and the Australian pigeons? The Australian pigeons are really pretty, and the feral ones from Britain are ugly. Look at the thing. Go away. See that big one in the middle? He's a pest. Rats with wings. No. They're beautiful little birds. Look at these little ones over here. They're all having a go, aren't they? The dog. Are they? Well, I can't see behind me, can I? You'll have to tell me what. So the little birds out the dining room window, how do they go?
One there and one there.
And what do they do at the window? Oh look, here comes the Maggie. He's on the other side of the fence. It's a good thing I can talk, magpie. Look, here he comes. He's coming closer. I've been talking magpie since I was a very young kid. That's a pigeon. Bloody pest. Here he is, he's behind the tree. Come on, say hello, magpie. Oh, hear the kookaburra. Can you see him? Can you see him, Mum? The